Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I thought we'd do something a little bit different. Let's do a little pop quiz. So, alright, lists. What are they? Alright, they live inside brackets, right? So, we do this, we run dir on x, or we run dir on the actual class, and we get the same stuff. But alright, I want you guys in the comments section, and we'll talk about it in a week. So you guys have 7 days, and we'll see who gives the best explanation. But what is the difference between extend, and I'm not going to show you because I don't want you to pick, because then you have a 50-50 chance of getting it right. I want you to, now we're going to start really checking and see if we know what we're doing, what we're learning. What is the difference between extend and append with a list? What do they do? How do they act? What does it do to the list? So let's say we're going to use a list with extend. So extend uses on it, so you're going to have so tell me, before you do it, I want to see if you really understand what what extend and append do. So let's get rid of this, I guess. So before you run this, see if it's going to do what you think it's going to do, because that's where we are right now. We need to really be making rock solid our understanding and our comprehension. So I thought this would be a good place to put this on a Tuesday, and next Tuesday we'll revisit and really go over this, but really test your knowledge and see if you truly understand what the difference between an extend and append is. Alright, so real quick video today. Go ahead and give this a thumbs up if this is the kind of thing you want to see happening. And as always, if you're new here, let's make sure we're clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we got videos coming out all the time. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.